Hey everyone, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make all of your repeater items the same height. Now, if you're like me, sometimes you have repeaters like this, where you want them to be the same height, but some of the content inside of one of the items is a little bit more than the other ones, so it causes this Pinterest style mosaic grid design. And for some styles that might be cool, but a lot of times that's not what I'm looking for. Now before, we could just simply drag this down and it would kind of fix it for us. Or we could go over to this one right here, see that the height is set to 284, and we could try to apply 284 to this one as well, and it would kind of fix it. However, it's not even working correctly now. But before, even when we fixed it and it was the same height, as soon as we switched pages and then switched back, it would resort back to the way it was before. So in order to fix this, what we can do is come over to add. We're gonna go to decorative. We're gonna go down to lines, and we're just gonna drag one of these out into the repeater item. Then what we can do is with this selected, make sure that the height is set to the same amount as the height right here. So right here, the height is 284. So with the line selected, we also want this to be set to 284. And then what we can do is go ahead and select this rotation, and we're going to set this to 90 degrees. And then what we can do is go ahead and go up to the alignment options. We'll assign it to the left and the top. And if you don't want the line actually visible, all you have to do is come over to design, customize design, and the line color, we'll just set the opacity to 0. So now it's an invisible line that basically sets the height for the repeater items. And as you can see, all of them are the same, perfectly aligned exactly how we want. But that basically wraps it up for this quick little video. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out in the future. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.